Welcome to the design guide for the HTML sticky note and HTML sticky note with video ad units. We'll start by previewing the ad. And as you can see, this ad unit has a hand that comes and puts a sticky note onto the page. This can be adjusted to basically live anywhere on the page you like. And when the ad is closed, the hand comes and pulls the sticky note back again. From a design standpoint, you're simply adding an image of your choice to this sticky note. The hand itself can also be swapped if you want. Most people choose to leave it there because it works pretty well as a default, but if you wanted to do either take it away completely, add something, we've seen people do things like add a dog paw for a pet food store. So that can be customized, but you certainly don't have to. And when you click close again, the hand will come and pull the note back up to the left-hand corner. Coming here to your builder, basically you have your sticky note media, the main image. That's a fixed size. You're going to use 306 by 286 pixels for that image. And as always, you can use a JPEG, PNG, GIF, or SWF file. And once again, if you're using an animated SWF file in here, you're going to want to come down here and use the optional sticky note failover image. Basically, if that SWF runs and it's being viewed on a non-flash compatible device like an iPad or iPhone, the image will show instead of the SWF file. So coming down, you can either again use our standard default open and close button images, or you can upload your own images. They can be any size you want. Ours are 100 by 30, but you can upload any size image you like for the open and close. Next you have the hand arm image. Again, that's our default hand image. You can leave that alone or upload your own image. Basically what you're going to want to do with that is make sure it's on a transparency, and then that will work similarly to ours. You also have an optional teaser image. Right now we're using the same image for the teaser. Basically, if we preview this again, up here in the upper left hand corner is a teaser. Right now we're just using the same image, but if you wanted a different image up there when it is basically a teaser unit, you can upload that here, and again that's going to be 306 by 286. And then finally at the bottom, optional video. As always, you upload your videos as an MP4 file. We recommend, if you are uploading a video, we recommend the following video converter. For converting video, it's video.online-convert.com/convert-to-MP4. Basically, that takes you to a video converter where you can browse your hard drive for your file. Even if it's already an MP4, we recommend running it through here because this basically gives you the optimal output result. You typically don't have to change any of the settings, just click convert file and you'll have a ready to go MP4 file for your Impact Engine account. So coming back here, those are all your media options. Step 2 are for your colors. You have a background note color. Typically you're going to upload an image or a file that's the same height and width as the container, so the background color isn't going to show. And then you've got your test mode for hit areas. Click-throughs, you can have up to 4 custom click-through hit areas on this ad, hit areas 1 through 4. And now finally in your settings, you've got your sticky note horizontal and vertical offset. So right now we have it 300 by 300. If we wanted to make this go farther out to the right, when we preview now, the ad's 500 pixels to the right instead of 300. So again, you can adjust where on the page that sticky note is going to land. Moving down vertical offset, you can change that. Teaser and horizontal and vertical offset. Right now, basically, you're going to have 100 by 100 pixels of that teaser showing. If you wanted to increase the amount of teaser that shows in the upper left-hand corner, we can adjust that here. So when we close the ad, you'll see that the teaser is larger. It's all the way that big. You can adjust that to be larger or smaller, whatever you want. So we'll put that back to 100 by 100. Moving down, you have, do you want to use an alternate image for the teaser? Right now that's defaulted to no. So in your media, you can just ignore this, upload your one main sticky note image, and it'll use that for both the teaser and the main image. If you do want to use a teaser image, a different one, you're going to upload that here and make sure you set this setting, use alternate image for teaser, to yes. Coming down, would you like the ad to automatically expand on initial render? Yes or no? We have yes here. Limit auto expand to once every X hours. You can do whatever you want, 6 hours, 12 hours, etc. Would you like a delay on that auto expand? If yes, put in the number of seconds here. Would you like it to then automatically collapse after a certain amount of time? If yes, put in the number of seconds here. Auto expand on mouse over. We typically like to set this for yes for this particular unit. Makes it a little bit easier to open and close. So right now I have to click to close it, but I simply have to hover over this corner to make it open up. We also include that close button because the hover doesn't work as well, or that functionality is not going to work on the iPad or iPhone. So putting in a close button image there for those users so they can tap that, that will give you the best of all worlds. Moving down, auto collapse on mouse off, yes or no. You have your expand and collapse speed here. Open and close button width and height, we have 130 by 50. Again, you could change that to be any height and width you want if you want to use your own custom open and close buttons here. This basically sets how big the hit area is going to be for opening and closing the ad. Now you've got your open button horizontal and vertical offset. So horizontal, vertical, we have 216 by 257, basically putting it in the bottom right hand corner, and this offset is from the upper left hand corner of the sticky note itself, so it's 215 by X down here, and the same thing is going to apply for the close button horizontal and vertical offset. Finally, include video player. If you want to add your video in here, we just set this to yes. You can set your video player height and width here. We have it 288 by 215. You have a horizontal and vertical offset. We happen to have this 10 pixels to the right and 8 pixels down from the top. And we have it auto starting and audio auto starting. So when we preview the ad now, it's going to come in here with a video. And again, you'll have your play and pause buttons here. You can use your scrubber here and the audio as well. And now custom hit areas. The custom hit area 1 is currently 306 by 286, which is the size of that main image, and we have a 0,0 offset, so basically it's going to cover that the image completely. When it comes to stacking of hit areas, it's important to remember hit area 1's at the bottom, then hit area 2, 3, and 4 are on top of that, so they can overlap, but whatever one is higher in number is going to take precedence. The other thing to note is if you're using video, custom hit area 1 is at the bottom of the stack. Video goes on top of custom hit area 1. Custom hit area 2 goes on top of the video, as well as custom hit area 3 and 4 are on top of the video. So if we wanted to activate custom hit area 2, we can say yes. Let's make this 200 pixels wide by 100 pixels tall, and we'll give it an offset of 10 pixels to the right and 10 pixels down from the top. And we could activate custom hit area 3, which we have here, and custom hit area 4, height, width, and offset. And at the bottom, you can turn on your testing mode by putting yes here. And when we preview the ad, we're going to see these hit areas show up. So basically you see we've got custom hit area 1's in the background, the video is on top. Custom hit area 2 is on top of the video, so if you wanted people to click on the video to go to a different URL than if you clicked elsewhere on the ad, you would just set that here. And typically hit area 2, you're going to make the height and width of this portion of the video. You don't want to overlap the hit area on top of the play and pause buttons, because that can make people click on play and actually go to the website instead of doing what they want. And again, hit area 3 and 4 are on top of hit area 2. So that's the design guide for the ad unit. As always, call us at 866-467-2289 if you have questions.